I want to get the input from Brigadier sir, because we use vascular this muscular technique that provide the membrane.
Sir, this can be a very tricky and this can be a very biased situation. What we have seen in our experience is that it is highly recurrent over here in this part. Rather, GCT is recurrent in
Even
any case.
any
A single molecule of it has been left inside the fingers in a recurve. Definitely, on the first instance, we don't send anyone for the oncological advice for any chemo or radiotherapy. But for the recurrence, yes, we do. But in cases of wrist and in cases of distal radius, I think once again, the concept of house is a bit different. Now, this time it is not a meticulous reconstruction of radiocarbon element. This time it is to regain the power grip or the grip strength in the fingers. So that's what the aim of the wrist. Wrist independently is nothing. It is actually supporting the hand and fingers to work in power grip. Now, just to mimic the radiocarpal joint and articular surface around here. But once again, we cannot recreate the biconcave, boat shape, two joint articulating kind of distal radius. So it's better to just try to fix it as soon as possible in cases of laborer who has to. वो गरीब का बच्चा ही मोटरसाइकिल से करता है, गरीब के बच्चे का हाथ में मशीन आता है, अमीर का बच्चा मशीन के पास जाता है और मोटरसाइकिल चलाता है. So in cases of all these things, when we have to end up in a rest arthrodesis in any case, so I think then we should just include such cases for a reconstruction as a research project, taking a consent. Yeah, you are going to end up in a rest arthrodesis, but we're going to try, or we are trying to innovate certain procedure. If you're going to help us in doing that, the way Boras do as an experiment subject. But eventually, Sir is right. Reconstructions and all those things, even the second procedure was supposed to fail because it was like radiocarpal joint cannot reach. So instead of having this thing in the mind that we have to reconstruct the radiocarpal element in any case, it's better to think on these lines that we have to regain the power at the patient. And for us, so taking a fibrogram is piece of cake. कोई नहीं ले लो यार, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But on the patient's end, तो कहते हैं यार चंगा अस्पताल सी यार. So we can avoid that kind of psychosocial kind of thing. But I think reconstruction and radiocarpal, with a view, if we are going to construct the biomechanics at the radiocarpal axis, I think that can only be achieved with a replacement arthroplasty, which is unfortunately not still available in Pakistan.
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Costly.
Nobody's, yeah. But somehow I think our Shalbhuti brothers are like very advanced in recreating and refurbishing. They're going to make it someday locally. But that's the only option to regain or think about the radio. Once again, the replacement implants are not going to give adequate grip strength.
Yeah.
फिर बात है कि अगर रिस्क के बारे में सोचना है तो डिस्पेंड इम्प्लांट सोचें, वरना रिस्क आर्थ्रोडेसिस is not a bad procedure at all. It restores the grip strength and it retains the pronation and supination. So it's not crippling for the patient. Though we all fear that risk movement band hogi, but that's not a. So in cases of such things, I think we need to work enough. और चीजें याद होती रहती है यार. किसी जमाने में गाय के रकम से पीप निकाल के एंटीबायोटिक करी थी. आज टॉप ऑफ द लाइन मेरोनिम कोलेस्टिन अवेलेबल है. इसी तरह एक रेडियल, इसी तरह आप लोगों के नए इनोवेशन जो है ना, आइडियाज जो है, वो सब एक दिन ऐसा प्रोसीजर इजाद कर लेंगे कि जिसमें हम रेडियो कार्पल बायोमैकेनिक्स भी रीगेन कर लेंगे और डिजिटल फिंगर ग्रिप भी रीगेन कर लेंगे. सो इंक्लूड ऑल दीज रिसर्च केसेस एज अ रिसर्च कंसल्टिंग काइंड ऑफ प्रोसेस एंड जस्ट डू इट. दैट्स व्हाट डोरास डू यार. वो भी तो ऐसे ही करते हैं. चाचा जी को बता देते हैं कि यार पता नहीं आप ठीक होंगे या नहीं होंगे, बट ये हमारा रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट है, हम आपको पी में डाल रहे हैं. That's kind of thing which is just the add-on. But sir is right. मेरे ख्याल एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड चीज यही है कि एक चीज जो आपको एंड में पता है, sky is the limit. इजाज़तें ऐसी होती है